Aitone Eibanja Enganzi y'eihanga abairashendekerezibweho minisita w'enshonga z'eminyeto hamwe n'abaana omu ihanga Honorable Minister Barambargahara hamwe na ambasada w'ekitongole kya UN Adonia Ayebare kandi obweyasiima omwebembezi w'eihanga obw'okwikyiriza okweta Uganda omu rukungaano oru obutaireho n'okubatayayisa gye. Enganzi y'eihanga eshabire mukuru wa UN General Assembly okuteekateeka ha nshonga y'amabanja agarikuteganisa amahanga agarikutunguuka.
And so the president is concerned about the debt burden that developing countries have, especially the commercial debts that are charged by multilateral big banks like World Bank, IMF, and many others. And so the president is saying that where possible, you can use the connections that you have to have these debts cancelled.
Oyo omwebembezi mukuru wa UN General Assembly, His Excellency Dennis Francis, azimire Uganda habw'enkwatanisa nungi mu rukungaano oru otaireho n'ebiteekateeko ebibahaireyo hamwe n'okurwetabamu.
In particular, express my deep appreciation for the support that your country, Uganda, has given to us in many things, but not the least of which is in organizing this week of events around Sustainability Week. And in that regard, in particular, ensuring that you could join us to participate in the opening ceremony on behalf of His Excellency the President Museveni.
Atakashitire mwanya ongu Enganzi y'eihanga bandize kutayayaho ekitebe kikuru ekya G77 hamwe na China ekiri aha kizimbe ekya United Nations Complex kandi Enganzi y'eihanga eyamize ku Uganda erikuza kukora ekiri kubasika kyona kurebeka ngu amahanga agarikwegayitira omu kagogu gakwatanisa abo burungi bw'ekitongore eki.
I want to appreciate that Uganda has had this chance to be the chair in these UN offices. So I want to thank you for the work you are doing as Secretary General, and also thank Mama for the work you are doing. I want to allay your fears that Uganda will support this office and also will coordinate other member states so that we can benefit from our chair. Like you have said, the country that is chairing coordinates other countries to have consensus, to come up with the positions.
Ibyo bikiri aho Honorable Minister Barambargahara ashoborere kwa amahanga agarikutunguka kandi agarikwegayitira omu kagogu gashemeye gukora ekiri kubasika kyona kurebeka ngu gataho amakoro omu mahanga gabo kurebeka ngu eminyeto yabasa kutunga emirimo habw'entunguka y'amahanga aga.
So among the challenges our young people in Uganda and sub-Saharan Africa face is no skills, no jobs, underemployment, unemployment. So we have joined the big powers to find a solution. How can they support our young people? How can they have skills? How can they be equipped? How can we have factories back home so that they are employed? How can we add value to our products?
Aturo Lozaro orukushitama ekitebe kikuru ekyomu kagogu ogwa G77 China amize kubaine amaani hamwe n'okukunda kurebeka ngu bakwatanisa n'eihanga lya Uganda hamwe n'omwebembezi waryo obwahatora omukuru w'omu kagogu.
So this is now your office, and we hope that you will find it useful and for like meetings and any other functions that you could find to be
Enganzi y'ihanga Right Honorable Robin Nabanja ariyo mu rurembo rwa New York okwetaba mu kuhana ebiteekateeko okuteirweho mu kagogo n'ekigendererwa cyo kureba uko amabanja gakubaasa kutubizibwa omu mahanga gari kutunguuka ahabw'entunguuka y'amahanga ago. Omu makuru agandi abaturage omu municipality